Pregnancy is a wonderful journey that lasts about 40 weeks, counting from the first day of your last normal period. The weeks are grouped into 3 trimesters, each with its own changes and milestones for you and your baby. Here is a brief overview of what to expect in each trimester of pregnancy. First trimester, week 1, week 12. 1. This is the most crucial time for your baby's development. All the major organs and structures begin to form, such as the heart, brain, limbs, eyes, and ears. 2. Your baby's heartbeat can be detected by ultrasound around week 6. 3. By the end of the first trimester, your baby is about 3 inches long and weighs nearly 1 ounce. 4. You may experience symptoms such as fatigue, nausea, breast tenderness, mood swings, food cravings or aversions, and frequent urination. 5. You may also notice some changes in your body, such as weight gain, bloating, or stretch marks. Second trimester, week 13, week 28. 1. This is often the most comfortable time for many pregnant women. Your baby grows rapidly and becomes more active in your womb. 2. Your baby can see, hear, suck, and scratch. You may feel your baby's movements or kicks around week 18 to 22. 3. Your baby's skin, hair, nails, and lungs develop. By the end of the second trimester, your baby is about 1 foot long and weighs 1.5 pounds. 4. You may experience symptoms such as back pain, leg cramps, constipation, heartburn, or swelling of the ankles and feet. 5. You may also notice some changes in your body, such as a bigger belly, darker nipples, or more visible veins. Third trimester, week 29, week 40. 1. This is the final stage of your pregnancy. Your baby prepares for birth by gaining weight, developing fat layers, and practicing breathing. 2. Your baby can taste, smell, open and close the eyes, and respond to light and sound. You may notice changes in your baby's movements as he or she gets bigger and has less room to move. 3. Your baby's position may change several times before settling into a head-down position for delivery. By the end of the third trimester, your baby is about 19 to 21 inches long and weighs 6 to 9 pounds. 4. You may experience symptoms such as Braxton Hicks contractions, pelvic pressure, increased vaginal discharge, or nesting instinct. 5. You may also notice some changes in your body, such as stretch marks, leaking colostrum from your breasts, or dropping of your belly.